Hi guys, if this is the first time you've seen this face, hello, hi, my name is Topsy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So this is look 2 using the Jackie X ABH palette. If you haven't seen my first video where I talk about the palette a bit and I did like a look for you, then click on the card up there and then you can come back and watch this one. So this is my second look using this palette. I challenged myself this week to use as many of the shadows and create a look for you guys. I'm going to apologize in advance because this look looks kind of complicated. I didn't start out wanting to do something super, you know, complicated, but we ended up here. So I'm going to try and replicate this eye on this eye. So yeah, let's get to it. So if you want to, so I've already primed my lid. I basically just used the Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I set it with my powder. So we're gonna go into the palette now, and I'm gonna use Big Wig first. And Big Wig is that one right there, the purple shade right there. So I'm gonna use like a small brush, and this is the Morphe M506. Just gonna go in there. I'm gonna start out by actually stamping the color on before I then blend it. I'm so nervous now because I'm worried that it's not gonna come out exactly how I did that one, because I sort of winged that one, I'll be honest. I started off not even knowing what I was doing for today. And then I just sort of arrived at that. So we're doing a bit of a halo look today. I thought I should switch it up from, like, the first one. So, it's looking very messy right now, but it will all come together, I hope. So now I'm going to take a fluffy brush, and this is the Morphe M433. And then I'm going to go into ginger, which is that color right there. This one right here. So I'm going to just tap my brush in like once. And I'm going to use that to sort of buff that purple in. So you need to just keep blending till you feel it's all blended out properly. What I've found with eyeshadow is that it's all about blending. Just need to keep blending till you're satisfied with your blend. I'm gonna add more purple to the end and in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna further blend that out. So now I'm gonna add some credit to the same place where the credit is the brown one right there. So I'm gonna deepen the crease a bit more. Gonna do exactly the same thing I did with the Big Wig. Add it to the outer corners and the inner corners as well. So once we're happy with that, we're gonna use the fluffy brush to blend it again. So once you feel like you've blended till your hands feel numb, then I'm gonna cut out my cut crease. So we're gonna cut the crease. We're just doing that, looking up. I think I might stop a bit, but it's okay, we'll fix it. Okay, so the crease has been cut now. So the first color I'm going to put on the lid, well, the bit where I cut, is the Sequin, that purple shimmer right there. And I'm using a MAC 242 flat brush. Okay, then we're gonna go into pinker, which is that one right there. And we're gonna use this just to sort of blend in the edges. Just gonna do that. And then do the same for the inner. So after I put pinker to blend in the outer and inner, I'm gonna go in with the purple big wig and also a bit of credit as well. So a mixture of big wig and credit to further blend in the inner and outer bit, just to like so. We're gonna go in with Trust Issues, which is this sort of, oh, I don't know what color it is, sort of whitish, but then it comes out iridescent color. This worked better with my finger, so I just do that. Just place that right in the middle. So that's what it's looking like. The issue I always have with halo eyes is I never get them to look the same, but that's the best we can do. So yeah, so I'm gonna, line my bottom lash line. Then trying to decide what colors I want to use for my bottom lash line. I think I'm gonna use a combination of pinker and big wig for the bottom line. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. So for the inner tear duct, I'm going to use, I'm tempted to use Trust Issues again. However, I did notice there was quite a lot of fallout with that one. I don't want anything to, maybe I would spray actually with a bit of Fix Plus. Maybe that would help. But yeah, I think I'll do that. So I'm going to go with Trust Issues for inner tear duct. And hopefully I don't have too much fallout. Oh yes, that worked. I'm gonna apply my lashes, probably off camera because I am blind. That's a fact. This is the finished look using the Jackie palette again. I actually challenged myself today because halo eyes are not the easiest to do, and I know I started off this challenge saying that I was going to keep it simple. I hope I managed to show you in a simple way, if that makes sense. It was easy to follow. Yes, I just thought to do something different today. I don't normally wear purple, but I actually love this color on me. I think it's so pretty. Yes, I'm thinking of recreating the look that Jackie did in her video using Wigglies. I'm very curious to see how that would look on me. That color is fire. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys.